Good morning, afternoon, and evening to all my YouTube family from wherever you're watching. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a project trying to fix a solar panel fountain pump that has stopped working. I purchased this. This is the panel. It's a solar panel. I purchased this last year and the pump stopped working. So I'm not sure what it is, but I am going to take this apart and see if maybe the wires has come loose or maybe it's just clogged up, because it appears that this little fountain has got a lot of lime buildup on it. So that is my project that I'm doing. And also, when I got this, it had like a plastic film on it. It had a little tag on it that you just pull it off. Well, I left that on there. And it looks like the sun kind of baked it in there. So now I can't get it off. But I think this little thing cost me, it was under $15. And they're the best little pumps for bird baths or whatever you want to use them for. But you would think, as big as this solar panel is, that the pump would be a little bit bigger. Now I have another solar pump in my bird bath over here, and I will show you what it looks like. Now there's my other little solar pump, and it is working just fine. So that's what I'm doing in this video, is to see if I can get this to work, the other one. So I'm going to show you how this pump goes together. This solar panel has an end on it, and then this one connects to the little pump. And you just screw that in there. That is a protection so it won't get wet if it rains. And I'm going to set this panel out in the sun. And I don't know if you can hear that. That it's trying to work, but it just will not pump. As you can see, the bulb, it will not pump. It's so hard to do these videos when you're trying to do it yourself. But there's no water. I'm even trying to prime it. There's no water coming out of that pump. So we are going to take that apart. Now I got to unhook this again. I don't want it to, whoops. Here we go. I don't know for sure how we're going to do this, but I got a pair of pliers. And I'm going to try to figure out how this comes apart. There appears to be a little, I don't know. But we're going to do this one way or another. I'm going to put this on here and hope I don't crack it. And try to pull this apart. Ooh, I don't know. There's got to be an easier way. Let's do it this way. There we go. Maybe I need a pair of channel locks. Like I said, I don't know. It is on there. It's definitely on there. I want to pull you down here. There. I'm not having any luck with this today, but bear with me. There, snapped right off. I just pushed down on it and it, oh yeah. Wow. You would not believe, look at that, what's in there. Whoa. That is not good. Ooh. I don't know. I think that might have been a little filter of some sort. Let me get my water over here and see what this... I don't know. That just looked like a bunch of hard mass of something. But then at the same token, it looks like maybe a filter. I'm using a toothbrush. Yeah, this is a little filter that's just got clogged up. I'm going to let that soak. But in the meantime, whoa, I'm taking my toothbrush. I don't know if this is what the problem is. We'll see. We're learning together. Need to get some lime away, or no. Now I'm just taking a toothbrush. That's all I got. That's all I have here. I just love these little solar panels and your pumps. Should have had me a little knife or something. Scrape this slime off. But yeah, bear with me here, because I want to see if this works. Because before you... I got a fly that's bothering me on my leg here. But I'm going to be working outdoors again today. It's time to cut grass. Cut grass 4 days ago. And in the spring... midsummer, I usually cut twice a week. I have 2 acres here. And then when it hits around late June, July, then I could get by with once a week. There, got that all cleaned out. I sure hope this works. This little filter. If this works, when I bring them in the winter, I'll know to clean these. But the little hummingbirds, they love to sit on anything that's got a slow motion, water flowing. I love to watch them little birds. Love them dearly. I've only seen about 3 so far this year here in Indiana. Almost got this filter clean. As you can see, that's just a little bitty filter. I think what I need to do is maybe go to Wally World and buy some filters, maybe a little block, little piece of filter, and cut it down to this size. And they get like this, just throw them away and slap in a new one. I suppose you could order them, but you know, don't throw something away if it can be fixed. Like I said, I'm not sure this is even going to work, but I'm not afraid to try. So I think I can see through it. Boy, all that stuff that's in the bottom of this bowl. So I won't bore you with this video. I think this is going to be enough just to see if this is going to solve my problem. I pray it does. Now you just take this and snap it back in there. I can't imagine without that little filter, all that hard water. And now let's put this back together. It just snaps on. Oh yeah. Maybe next time it won't be so hard to get off. So, I'm not going to get some lime away and maybe clean the outside of it. Okay, I just went in and changed my water in my bowl. I got clean, fresh water. Hope y'all can see this. Now, we're going to stick this back in the water here. And we're going to plug it back in. And let's see if this is going to work. I got just the place for this. I want to put together a little bird bath. I'm going to make a run to the Goodwill. Try to find a bowl that's deep enough to make another fountain, because I love these little birds. Okay, so I got it plugged in. Now I'm going to turn this solar panel over. Once the light hits, let's see if this is going to work. Well, it's a trying. May not have enough water in the bowl, but you can see it's a doing it. Oh, well, that was a simple fix. I just need to get some more water to make sure that that whole front is covered. But it is. You can hear it humming. So that did solve the problem. So if you have a solar fountain pump that doesn't work, don't throw it away. Do this first. And then that didn't solve the problem, then I'd say trash it. But don't trash the panel, because you might be able just to replace just the pump that screws it here. So that's all I have for you today. I'm going to turn this back over. I'm so thrilled. Thrilled that worked. But that's all I have for you today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you will also want to show you a couple of video clips of my fur baby, a cat. I have 3 of them outdoors, and they love to drink out of my bird bath water fountain. I don't know why. I put fresh water down for them, but they still like to go to the bird bath. And then another little clip of my Mother's Day flowers. So until the next time, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day.